Super, sir.
Almost your ray optics finished finally. Such a like takes almost 1 month. I say na. I say it will take 1 month.
Yeah, sir.
This 1 month I am saying today only. Not a single
Mm.
question. You say, sir, I am not able to solve. I don't know this concept. All the concepts are covered crystal clear, man.
Okay.
And I'm 100% sure all the questions
Mm.
will be from these notes only. Along with these notes, follow SL Aurora, whatever books you are following, solve
Okay.
PYQs. Okay.
Okay.
So I just want to ask like a simple question like how you enjoy like ray optics?
It was very like I was thinking it was tough, sir, but your explanation made it very easy. Like all the concepts and everything. Even I saw the PYQs also, sir. Everything is from our notes only, so it is very useful.
You joined here like which month like July na?
July, yeah, sir. July. I was actually today studying electrostatics only, sir. Current electricity I completed from your notes. Current electricity was very easy for me, sir. Like all the even questions also, whatever you thought, it was very easy. Electrostatics also okay. I have some doubts. Today actually I got fever little bit.
No problem.
So today
Now
didn't that.
see you have October is finished and November started. November, December, January. 3 months regress revision we will do. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Now in that revision I will cover 11th portion. Here I will not
Sir,
touch
now like I
12th.
am asked what, sir?
I will touch only 11th like you say. Okay.
Uh,
You want me to revise 11th now?
Sir, any other in 12th, is there any other important thing that has to be covered like you think, you feel?
You in I just ask you
Mm.
in 12th which topic you feel low? You tell me. I will start
Ah,
it. In from my side, everything is over.
for me, sir, I want that rapid revision only, sir, nothing else. Like fastly, if you revise the concepts for me, it is enough.
Okay.
So, 11th
11th,
physics very important, sir, for me. They are saying that 60%, 40% only. 12th alone you focus. Also, some people are saying.
okay. But 11th also you should focus.
Especially the kinematics, those things all I need, sir. The
Okay.
1D, 2D.
So what we will do now? Sidely you
Mm.
practice 12th physics.
Uh,
Little bit in my class only. During class only. No need to
uh-huh.
do anything, any homework at home. Just whatever I'm
Okay.
teaching in the class only, this 11th portion you do.
Okay, sir.
Slightly revise and practice question for grade 12th. Okay?
Okay.
And nothing else like I'm saying today only. You will crack JEE and will
Mm.
get best college. Today I'm saying.